Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the future with the brand new 2026 BMW iX3, the first all-electric SUV built on BMW's revolutionary New Classe architecture. This is a game changer, and it all starts with the exterior design. It's athletic and purposeful, moving away from the adapted look of the previous generation to a clean-sheet electric design. You'll notice the upright proportions, vertically arranged LED headlights, and a reimagined illuminated kidney grille that's more modern interpretation than oversized statement. Flush door handles and a sleek glass house contribute to a low drag coefficient of just 0.24, helping to maximize efficiency. While the rear features horizontal LED lights and muscular wheel arches for a solid stance. Standard wheels are expected to be 20 inches, with options up to 22 inches to complete the commanding look. Moving inside, the interior is where the New Classe truly shines. It's an airy, spacious cabin built with sustainable materials, offering a modern and upscale feel. The dashboard is completely reimagined, centered around the new BMW Panoramic iDrive and Operating System X. Gone are many of the physical buttons, replaced by a unique 17.9-inch central infotainment screen and a ribbon-like 43.0-inch display running along the base of the windshield, called Panoramic Vision, designed to show essential driving information without obstructing your view. Comfort is key, with electrically adjustable front seats and a versatile 40-20-40 split rear bench. This blend of minimalism and advanced technology sets a new standard for BMW's electric future. Under the skin, the iX3 is packed with performance. The launch model, the iX3 50xDrive, features a powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivering 463 horsepower and 476 pound-feet of torque. This allows the electric SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a quick 4.7 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The impressive capability is matched by equally impressive range, thanks to the new 108.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack and 800-volt architecture. BMW estimates an EPA range of around 400 miles, with the potential for over 500 miles on the WLTP cycle. Crucially, the 800V system enables ultra-fast DC charging up to 400 kilowatts, allowing you to add up to 230 miles of range in just 10 minutes at a compatible station. Finally, let's talk about the price. While final pricing and options are still being confirmed closer to the mid-2026 US release, the initial estimate for the powerful iX3 50xDrive model is a starting price in the realm of $60,000. Lower spec variants like the iX3 40xDrive are expected to arrive later with a starting price under $55,000. This positions the iX3 competitively in the premium electric SUV segment, offering groundbreaking technology and range for the money. With its stunning design, advanced cabin, and potent electric powertrain, the 2026 BMW iX3 is setting a bold new direction.